Well, hello everybody out there in the world. This is an unboxing of the DJI Mini Mic. Yeah, this is my first ever DJI Mini Mic, and I want to try these out and see how it really works. So I figured I would do a unboxing and then do a review later on. But right now, this is it. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna take the plastic off of it. Let's see. Let's see where you open it up at. So how's everybody doing out there in the world? Hope everybody's doing okay. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up. I'm one of the people that like to open it up where it's supposed to be opened up neatly, you know. I don't like ripping open stuff. I like to open my stuff up neatly. I don't know why, but I do. You just pop it, but it is. Alright, there we go. So, let's see what we got inside here. See what we got. Alright, okay, here we are. So everything's out the box. We got the instructions. Yeah, they give you little stickers. Oh, it's a little sticker that you can advertise there. Okay, put the box aside and let's get to the goodies, right? Let's get to the goodies. Okay. Bam. Bam. Alright. Got a little DJI tag on the outside there. This is the carrying case. And in the carrying case we have the muffles or whatever they're called. They're wind blockers. Let's see. Got the wind blockers. Got it for my birthday. I got it for a birthday gift from my son. Okay, that's the way they look inside, huh? I'm trying to look. I guess I should look through the phone. I'm looking to the side here. But, okay, so here's another one. And here's two more. So you actually get 4, 2 black and two silver ones, a gray or whatever you want to say. And they both feel okay on the back. Everything looks intact. Okay, so put them back in here. Okay. And let's take a look at the rest of it. And then I'll come back and let you know how I like them later. Here's the charging cords. And I guess the cord that hooks up to your camera. I don't have a camera yet, so I just have my phone. And here's the actual mics. Really close, right? Okay. Press. Oh, so it's got a piece of tape over top of it. There they are. Okay, see? There it is. Everything's in there. There's the, let's see. I guess I gotta find the magnets. Oh, there's the magnets. The magnets are already on the end of it. They are kind of strong. They're really strong. Oh, I pressed something. Back in there like that. Here's the receiver. I don't know how to work none of this yet, but I will learn how to work it. And there's the thing that hooks to your phone. I guess this is the part that hooks to your phone. I've been watching videos about it, so I know some of the how it come out. There it is. That's the part they say you don't want to lose. That goes underneath here somewhere. There, that side's off. This side's in there somehow or something. Where does it go? Yeah, it goes this way, I think. Got the arrow there, but there we go. It's tight. Okay, it clicked. And then this part goes on your phone. But yeah, so we got this little thing here. I guess this is where the charge is probably. Like you charge the it's a slot. It's an extra slot or something. And I think the mic's there's something up in there. See it? And then the other mic, of course, with the magnet on it. And that's that. So now I gotta figure out how to take the thing over there and we're good to go. But it has to be charged because I don't think the lights are supposed to be up to here probably. But I'm going to read up on it. But there it is, everybody. So that's the unboxing of the DJI Mini Mic. And I will give you a review on it because I'm not done buying these. I'm going to buy, I got this one because it was on sale just to try it out. I might go to the 3 if I like the way this. But this, I'm trying to learn what's the difference between this one and the other one. But now that I have it in my hands, and it's my birthday gift for my son, and this is really nice. And I'm a spoiled mom. You know, I had two sons. I have two sons. Yeah. And this is really nice. All right. Well, God bless everybody. And don't forget to follow my YouTube channel for other videos. I'll be having all kinds of videos. I don't stay on one thing. I'm going to do reviews on different things. And I also, if anybody likes action figures, I'm going to be having a lot of action figures on sale. I have videos that I post when I'm selling the action figures. Matter of fact, I'm going to take some pictures tonight and put some on tonight because I have some ending in like 3 hours. But they haven't sold yet. But I've been selling them pretty good. So it's like in lots of tins. So if you're interested in any type of action figures, the action figures were not played with by children. It was an adult that owned them. They were adult owned and taken care of. So anybody knows anybody or you're interested in, just make sure you follow my YouTube channel and you'll know when they go up for sale. All right. So anyway, that's the unboxing of the DJI. This one right here. All right. Go get you one. All right. Try it out. Especially if you're a vlogger or YouTube, start your own YouTube channel and whatnot. Go ahead and start it up and get you one of these like I did. Try it out. All right. Talk to y'all soon. God bless and be safe. Good night.